What's the meaning of contrarily? Contrarily. Contrarily.
Contrarily. Contrarily. Contrarily is an adverb that indicates something is in opposition or contradiction to what has been previously stated. It can be used to show a contrasting view or action. For example, if someone says I like yellow, and another person responds with contrarily, I prefer blue, they are expressing a difference of opinion. The word contrarily highlights a discrepancy between the two statements. It is a way of signaling that the subsequent statement opposes or contradicts the original statement.